Alright, so Garmin's been on a refresh spree, revamping the Phoenix, Enduro, Instinct, and even the Approach series, but one lineup that's been weirdly quiet, the Forerunner series. Garmin might finally be gearing up to launch the Forerunner 975, and yeah, it's about time. But there's a twist, we'll get to that in a bit. The Forerunner 265 and 965 have been solid choices since their debut in 2023, but with everything else getting a refresh, a new Forerunner feels overdue. Well, the 5K runner just spotted something interesting. A fresh FCC listing that could be exactly what we've been waiting for. Now, Garmin has gotten pretty crafty with these filings. They used to leave little breadcrumbs that could be decoded, but over time they've stepped up their secrecy game. First, they stopped including product names, then they scrubbed nuanced details that might hint at what's coming. This latest filing, labeled IPH04968, was certified in December 2024. But here's the catch, it's locked under confidentiality until June 17th, 2025. That means Garmin is keeping it tightly under wraps, but it also suggests that whatever this is, it's likely launching before summer. So what could it be? The timing points to the long-awaited Forerunner 975, especially since Garmin typically drops new Forerunners in March. But here's the curveball, it looks like this device doesn't support Garmin Pay. That's a bit odd for a high-end Forerunner, which has led some to wonder if this is actually something else. Maybe a budget-friendly Edge 150 cycling computer instead. Either way, we're just a few months away from an official reveal. So if you're thinking about upgrading your running watch, maybe hold off a little longer. Something new is definitely on the way. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.